Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can increase your Snapchat score. So right below my profile picture on Snapchat, you can see the number called 465. That is basically my Snapchat score. Now that is the number of Snapchat streak I have in total with my friend. So if you want to increase your Snapchat score, you need to increase your Snapchat streak with your friend. So for those people who know Snapchat streak, they will understand how to increase their Snapchat streak. For people who do not know what Snapchat streak is, if you send a snap to your friend and your friend also sends you a snap within the 24-hour period, you will get one Snapchat streak. And if you want to increase the Snapchat streak, you need to send another snap within 24 hours, and your friend should also send you another snap within 24 hours. Just like this, the more you maintain this 24-hour snap streak, the more the number will increase. So what you want to do is maintain snap streak with as much or like as many friends as you can. The more snap streak you maintain, the more this number will increase. This number basically signifies how many snap streaks you have. So my snap streak is 465 until now. And it doesn't matter if you lose snap streak with your friend, the number will not lose, alright? So what you need to do is just keep on increasing your snap streak and your Snapchat score will increase as well. So that is basically how you guys can increase your Snapchat score for those people who are confused and don't know how to. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.